Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. So we are here at Burnham Park. Andres ahead, going to the fish koi pond. And me following. May payong, may sombrero pa. So, init.
Hi, goldfish. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, they're having practice.
These are the future boxers. Let's go. Can you see them? There are so many. Yes. So yeah. They eat rice.
We eat rice. Oh, so cute. Mommy, so cute.
Andre have ear piercing. Oh, new earring. Oh, diba?
It's pink.
Oh, she did not cry. Very good, Andre.
I was not
Oh,
very.
let's go. Thank you. It's yummy. Daming tao. Yung kabus na. Tapos gusto nito.